So hi friends, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So in this video I will talk about the PWD candidate cutoff. So all type of cutoff will be discussed in this video, that is NIT, IIIT, GFTI, home state versus other state cutoff you will get here, and for top NIT, top IIIT, top GFTI, all type of cutoff I will discuss, that is percentile required to get those colleges with the branch, that is CS, EC or any other branch. So I will discuss all the branch, so don't worry, if you are from PWD candidate, this video is for you. You will get all the information here. So if you are first to my channel, please try to subscribe, as I will always try to provide you information related to PWD candidate throughout the counseling, so that you won't have to worry about the counseling. And I have already made a video in which I have talked about the percentile versus category rank, that is PWD category rank. So if you haven't watched that video, please try to watch that video also. You will get link in the I button as well as in the description box. And after watching this video, if you think any more information you required or you want any other type of video, then suggest me in the comment section. I will take those topic in my next video. So don't worry, I will continue to make the video on PWD candidate separately. So please try to watch the previous video also, that is the most important video regarding the counseling, because you will get the PWD category rank based on your percentile that you have got or you will got in the next attempt. So let's start the video. To improve your result by next attempt, that is April or May attempt, so there is a test series, that is H ranker test series. So the feature of this test series is very important, that is 102 tests you will get. First of all, you will get a free mock test, so you can analyze the test. If you feel good, you can use this test. So I really advise you, please join this test series that is created by IIT Madras and IIT Mumbai professors. So you just need to enroll in this test series and you can get the discount at this time also. And after giving each test in this test series, you will get all India ranking and all type of analysis, which type of topic is strong for you and which type of topic is weak for you after doing each and every test. So there is topic wise test and whole syllabus test also. So try to join this test, and you can attempt it on web, that is in your mobile, laptop or computer. Use the coupon, that is information, and get the discount of 1400. So you can just enroll in this test series by paying 2100 only. You just need to use the code, that is information, and you will get the link for app and website in the description. You are targeting next year JEE, that is you are in class 11 right now, so that then also this series is very useful, because the validity of this test series is lifetime. You can use it any. So here is the NIT cutoff for PWD student, that is the other state student only, because the for home state, if you want to know for home state, please contact me separately, because the cutoff variation in home state is very much, so I can't predict the cutoff for the home state, because there are only 4 to 5 seat in every NIT in each branch for PWD candidate, so the cutoff will fluctuate very much. So if you want any information regarding your home state NIT, you can contact me directly through the Instagram or comment section, or you can also join WhatsApp group. You will get all the link in the description box. So here I will talk about the other state only. So I am discussing that here for CS, EC, core branch and the lowest possible branch in a particular NIT. So here is the top 5 NIT cutoff. For CS you need to score 92 plus percentile, that is for other state student. If you are from home state of a particular NIT, you can get at lower percentile also, that is at 40, 50, 60, anything you can get. But if you want a clear information, please try to contact me so that I can help you, and I will also help you to do your preparation in a better way, so that you can get those percentile in the next attempt, so that you can prepare more accurately after contacting me. And for EC 83 plus percentile, that is for top 5 NIT, and for core branch 65 plus percentile required. And core branch means here is mechanical, civil and other branches, that is electrical or mining engineering. And the lowest, that is biotechnology or textile engineering, those branch you can get at 50 plus percentile also, that is for top 5 NIT. Now I will talk about the top 10 NIT. For top 10 NIT CS, you need to score 85 plus percentile, and for EC 70 plus, for core branches 55 plus, and for lowest possible branch that is 40 plus percentile you need to score. And for top 20 NIT, 60 plus percentile for CS and 50 plus for EC and 35 plus for core branches, and for lowest branches 20 plus percentile is required. So once again I remind you, I have already made the video that is percentile versus PWD rank, and I have discussed many other information that is general information for PWD candidate, that is cutoff and how many number of a student are going to appear for the PWD candidate quota this year in JEE Mains 2021. So all those information you will get in that video. And don't worry, if you are from PWD, I will always try to inform you about everything throughout the counseling. I don't think many in many video you can get the information for the PWD candidate also. So I'm considering the PWD candidate so that they can also get the information and they can prepare and do their counseling in a better manner. So the next one is any NIT. If you want just to get into the NIT with CS branch, you need to score 45 plus percentile, and for EC 30 plus percentile, and for core branches 15 plus percentile, and for lowest possible branch 10 plus percentile you need to score to get the NIT. So the next one is IIIT and GFTI cutoff for the PWD candidate. So here is the CS and EC cutoff I will discuss, because in IIIT only two branches are available, CS or EC, and in some rare IIIT there are third branch, that is IT. And for GFTI there are some other branch also, but I don't think the student want to go for that branch. CS and EC branch are demandable and many students want to join this branch, so I am considering these two branches. So for top 5 IIIT you need to score 60 plus percentile to get the CS branch, and for EC 48 percentile, and for top 10 IIIT 45 plus percentile for CSE, and for EC 35 plus percentile. And once again I remind you, if you are from home state of any NIT or GFTI, because there is no home state other state quota in IIIT, so for NIT and GFTI you can get NIT and GFTI at lower marks or lower percentile also. So I'm here considering only the other state cutoff. So the next one is any IIIT you can get CS branch at 30 plus percentile, and for EC you need to score 20 plus percentile, and the for top GFTI 30 plus percentile for CS branch and 18 plus percentile for EC branch. And any GFTI if you want to score 10 plus percentile to get the CS branch and 5 plus percentile to get the EC branch. So this is all about the cutoff information for PWD candidate. Hope you find this video very useful and you will do your preparation according to that information, so that you will have a clear mind, a clear goal in your mind, so that you can prepare according to that and get your goal by the preparing well for the next attempt. So thanks for watching this video. Try to subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends so that they can also get this information. And don't forget to watch my previous video that is on percentile versus PWD candidate rank. So thanks for watching this video.